Hello everyone, welcome back. Earlier in previous video we talked about how to download Python and I have shown you the step-by-step process for that. If you have not downloaded Python, then I would encourage you to go ahead and watch that video so that you can download Python successfully on your machine. So let's talk about how to download Anaconda. I'll show you how to download in Mac, but it's the same process for Windows as well. So before that, I'm going to talk about the main learning objectives for this particular video. The first thing is that we want to understand what is Anaconda. I'll talk briefly about it and then know how to download Anaconda. And after that, I'll also show you quickly how to access Jupyter Notebook and type the Python code in there as well. So let's talk about what is Anaconda. Anaconda helps us to use Python, a very commonly used platform, as well as a very easy to use too. So you can type your Python code and visualize the data, comment. We're going to use Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda. And some other tools we can use to write the Python are Idle. Idle actually comes with when you install Python. And some others are like VS Code, and also Anaconda Cloud can be used. PyCharm and Jupyter Lab. These are some of the commonly used IDE where you can type your code, Python code, or make a comment about it as well. In our course program, we're going to use VS Code and also Jupyter Notebook. So I'll show you how to download Anaconda first. So let's go ahead and download Anaconda. Let me go to, again, I can just go to Google and then type in Anaconda. Anaconda. You can call Anaconda Python. It will take you to free download Anaconda. This is something that you want to look for and click on this one. Once you click, it will show you like the download page, and if you're using Windows, then it will show you one for the Windows as well. Go to download right here, click on this one, and depending upon whatever machine you are using, you can just select one of them. And for me it's Mac M1 M2, so I'm just going to select this. Click on that, and then this starts the downloading process right here. As you can see, it says 2 minutes left. I think it's going to be faster than that anyway, so let's wait for this. Once the download is completed, then we're going to go to this package in the download folder and then start installing from there. So let me go to download folder for now. Downloads, and this one, it's actually downloading, so it's still taking time. Let's wait for that. All right, looks like the package has been downloaded. So let me go to the download folder and start the installation process from there. I'm just gonna go to downloads. Okay, this is the package we just downloaded from the website, and just double click on this. Now it will begin the installation process. So just allow, hit continue, continue. It will guide you through the process. So agree to continue. And then depending on your machine, it probably asks you this or may not ask. So if it doesn't ask, then you can just continue. I'm just going to install on a specific disk. I'll select my particular folder, and I'm going to select here, choose, continue. Now it's going to start the installation process. Make sure that you have enough space. It requires about 5 GB in your laptop, so, or the computer, so please make sure that you have that. All right, so looks like that it's completed, and let me just check quickly. Let me continue this. All right, it says thank you for installing Anaconda distribution, and we can close this out. Move to trash, that's fine. Now let me show you how to access that actually and how to open the Jupyter Notebook. If I go here, I should be able to see Anaconda Navigator, and you should be able to see similar thing like Anaconda Navigator. Click on this one, it will take you to this page. Now this is one thing that we're going to use. It's called Jupyter Notebook, and this will allow us to type Python code or even write some text or the anything about program. What you want to do is click on launch. It will open up another page where we can create the Python code. All right, now it just open, so you can access different folder from here directly, right? So any folder that you create can be accessed here. For example, let me go to my documents, and then I'm just gonna go to here, and then let's say quick Python, and then I'm just gonna create a new folder. Let's call test. Now this folder we should be able to access from here as well. So that was inside documents, and then fcp course, quick python and test, right? See, we just created this seconds ago. So click on this one. You need to go to new, and then you should be able to see something like this. You probably have python 3 ipy kernel only. Click on this python 3, and then now from here you can actually type the code. So see, you have untitled, right? So you can rename it, call it test, rename, and then you can type your code here. For example, print, let's say 2 plus 2. Then to run it, you need to do shift enter, and then see, it's running now. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is how you actually create a new file and then run your python code. This is just a basic example. I'm going to show you more example in coming videos as well, how to run different programs, and then also how to type a comment in Jupyter Notebook as well. All right, so hopefully you have downloaded it successfully. So if you have not, then please reach out to me, and if you have not installed python, then please visit my previous video as well. All right, thank you so much. That's all for today. See you in the next video.